In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export OneDrive files. The process is straightforward and should only take a few minutes. Let's get started. First, we need to navigate to Microsoft's official website. Open your web browser, and in the search bar, type Microsoft. Once you've reached the home page, you'll need to sign in to access your OneDrive files. Look for the Sign In button, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the Sign In page. Here, enter the email address linked to your Microsoft account. It's crucial to use the correct email to ensure that you can access your OneDrive. After typing in your email address, click on the Next button to continue. Now, you'll need to enter your password. Take your time with this step. It's crucial for maintaining the security of your personal or business files stored in OneDrive. Once you've carefully entered your password, hit Next. Sometimes, after entering your password, Microsoft might ask if you want to stay signed in. This choice is up to you. If you're on a personal device and you don't want to repeat the sign-in process every time, clicking Yes might be convenient. However, if you're using a shared or public computer, it's safer to skip this step. Now that you're signed in, let's navigate to OneDrive. On the Microsoft homepage, look for the All Microsoft options. This will open a drop-down menu with various Microsoft services. Here, find and select OneDrive, which is Microsoft's cloud storage solution. Once on the OneDrive page, you might see another Sign In button. Click on it to enter the OneDrive interface. This step is essential to access the files you wish to export. When you're in OneDrive, you'll be greeted with the home page. You'll see all your stored files and folders at a glance. Click on My Files to view a detailed list of your documents, photos, and other files. To export a file, find the specific document or photo you want to download. You'll notice that each file has a three-dot icon or More Actions button next to it. Click on this icon to see more options. In the expanded menu, find and select Download. This action will prompt OneDrive to prepare your file for download. Depending on the file's size and your internet speed, you might experience a brief loading period. Once ready, your browser will ask you to confirm the download. Click Save and choose a destination on your device where the file will be stored. If you're using browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox, you might see the file appear in your Downloads bar. If prompted, select a specific folder for the download, as this helps in organizing your files for easy access later. And there you have it. You've successfully exported a file from OneDrive to your device. Repeat these steps for any other files or documents you wish to download. Remember, organizing your files in folders on your device can make it easier to locate them in the future. Exporting files from OneDrive is a seamless process, especially useful when you need to access your files offline or create a backup on an external drive or local device. Follow these steps, and you'll have everything you need right at your fingertips.